we go. You know, what I just threw in was the lower half of one of the best pieces of equipment that I've ever been around. And this new suit, it's called the Great Lakes Pro Insulated from Whitewater. The jacket is really pretty special. It's not very heavy. It's thick enough, but the materials that they made it out of are real soft, real flexible. This is a full-blown rain suit, so it can blizzard with snow, or you can have downpouring rain, and you're going to keep dry in this suit. But the insulation is done extremely well. And when you wear this suit with, I've got a heated vest right now, and then just a t-shirt underneath, like you can see, it'll cover 90% of the time that you have to spend out in cold weather. So what we've got here is a very pliable, easy to wear piece of equipment. It ends up being my daily driver for, you know, my jackets in the winter. And after a year of R&D with the Next Bike crew testing this product, I can honestly say the company hit a home run, and it's definitely something that you could use that'll keep you much warmer and more comfortable during the winter months.